Hello, thanks for joining us for today's video guide on how you can add electrical symbols and NC accessories to a panel drawing. The process for completing these within Vertex BD is very easy. Let's start by having a look at adding NC accessories to our panels. For this example video, I've created a simple wall panel within Vertex BD. This is nothing special, just the first wall structure available in the walls library with nothing additional added as shown. I next panelize the wall and generate these panels. Again, I just use the base standard settings within Vertex BD. Once that is completed, I can then go on to adding my NC accessories. NC accessories are available to be added by selecting the panel or panels you wish, and then within the navigation ribbon selecting the NC accessories option shown here. Within here we have the option to add all the NC accessories machining lines that are defined in our settings to the panel, or we can select to add them individually if required. It's really that straightforward to add NC accessories to our projects within Vertex BD. Once our desired options for these are selected, they will be visible in our panel drawings when we create this. Before we do that, however, let's look at adding electrical symbols as well. This process is just as easy as adding our NC accessories. Our electrical symbols are available to be added to our projects via the component browser. They are located within here under the Building Services section and under Electrical boxes. These we add in the 2D view within the modeling window, so first we swap over to that, and then next we select our required electrical symbol or symbols. In this case, I'm just going to add a standard grounded double outlet to our wall. We select that from the component browser, and then we can select our desired location on our wall panel, and BD will add that to our wall structure as shown. Once that's all complete, and you have added your desired electrical symbol and NC accessories, simply head on over to the Output tab and generate your panel drawings as normal, and you will now have your NC accessories and electrical symbols detailed within your panel drawings as desired. Thanks for joining me for this video. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enable you to get the most out of your Vertex BD software.